jacket. Well, he's
That's
wait.
it.
Okay.
And try not to get the messy stuff in the background. Are you getting me, stinker? Can you believe?
Get over there, Julie.
Oh.
Would you like to be a TV star?
No.
Okay. Why don't you get next to Mom and we'll take your picture?
No.
Oh, that's a nice one. Okay. Well, Julie, you are now a
TV star.
television star, along with your mom, Mrs. Sando. Now, as we conduct this interview, I want you to tell us what you did at Robbie's today, Julie.
No.
What?
Sure. Hey, always was treasure hunt.
Your what?
Treasure hunt.
You keep
Who
moving.
provided the treasure hunt?
Oh,
Me, Heather, Becky, and Marina.
yeah.
And did you eat over there?
Yeah.
What'd you have for dinner?
Burritos. Right?
No.
No?
Beans. They have burritos and soup. And now
Okay.
What I want to do is go through these directions and figure it out, but so far it seems pretty easy.
Smile pretty.
Alright. You know how to take a close-up?
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
You're about 15 feet away, so we'll be interested to see or to hear how the sound comes out. Julie, why don't you come over here?
Okay.
I'll take a picture. You know, really, it's pretty good to come out nice and bright on the screen, and yet this is very low light. It wouldn't take a regular picture. Give me a smooch. Give me a good kiss. Right at the bottom?
Uh-huh.
That means you're taking pictures. Okay? Walk over, take Mom.
Now
Okay.
I press a button.
Now, there's two buttons here.
Hi,
This
is
one,
Jeff?
Uh-huh.
Is your mom
and
there?
that
Uh-huh.
Can I talk to her son?
one. Press one, you'll see it. She gets smaller.
Whoa.
Okay?
Are you taking me, Julie?
Yep.
How are you, Jeff? Pretty good. Have you had a nice Christmas vacation? I bet you've enjoyed just being away from school, huh? Did you go any place? I thought maybe you'd go on your church trip. You didn't go this year?
Oops.
Oh, wasn't there? Oh. Oh, I was thinking it was
I'll
Christmas.
take one of you.
Okay. It's probably
Mike's away now, you know, in San Francisco. Has been for several days.
probably too dark.
Oh, it's not.
Okay.
It's not in color.
Yeah. Okay, why don't you shut it off? Or take it. Okay.
So, is she okay? Hi, Janet. How are you? I was just over to the game and saw Christy, and she can't call you because the phones are locked up. And so we said we're going to say
Huh?
It's time to sit up to the table, Dad.
Huh?
Time to sit up to the table.
I'm coming.
Went to
My legs aren't asleep.
7 flavors or 7 what
You're
is
on
that?
the
11 flavors?
31 flavors.
31 flavors.
Well, shall we sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you.
Want to record that one?
Yeah.
Julie, let's say okay, you can sit there, I guess.
Well, Mom, how many is it?
29.
72. I was 72 all last year,
Yeah.
so it doesn't much matter.
I thought it was 39.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would have been a little baby. She would have been 39.
She's at leap, but she'll be coming. Mike has to go get her in a few minutes.
Oh, I see.
Let's see, you don't want this, Mike? Uh-huh.
Yeah. She reminded me of.
She's a good actress.
Yeah, isn't she?
What was the boy's name? Gilbert. He's good.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. Very, very nice. I can use
You
that.
know what this
Have you got cold cream?
Well, you had that. You had that bottle.
You'll have to put some on and use it. Mine had sense enough, but then I didn't have any money to buy any cream. Do you use cream all the time, Carol?
Yeah.
Good. Because I didn't have any money.
Are you running it?
Yeah.
Oh,
You don't have to have the light on it, huh?
No.
boy, this is dangerous.
Huh?
I can
No.
tell you that. This is dangerous. I'm gonna shut up. I'm not gonna be like Ralph and. Oh, by the
Well,
way,
you
we,
still have that, don't you? That part of Ralph.
right, and we got a letter. Thanks for being such a very special mother, someone who cares, someone to count on, someone who's always there. Happy birthday, love, Jerry and Carol, Mike, Jill, and Julie too. Very nice. Want to see that? What were you saying just a minute ago?
But Ralph.
Ralph.
Oh, right. So I wrote to Baron Jean and,
Oh, you did? Oh.
well, sent it to care of this Elizabeth, a letter named Isabel.
Mm-hmm.
So I get a letter back. I'll show it to you. And she says, thank you for your numerous letters.
For your what?
And numerous
Nice.
letters. And I had mentioned that you had to tape, you know. And she
Very
said,
nice.
I am making a folder on all of the, making a
Scrapbook.
scrapbook and everything of all the times that she had been with Ralph. Evidently, she had gone with Ralph for about 5 years because I found more letters. And she said that that would be just so nice to have that tape.
So we'll have to get a copy of it, won't we?
So I didn't, but I never heard a word from the kids. And I wondered if the
Oh.
kids.
Oh, I thought that was one of the kids.
No,
That's his girlfriend.
it's his girlfriend. So she says numerous letters. I've written her numerous letters. I've written it to the kids in care of her. I've written one to Baron Jean and you know.
Maybe the kids gave her the letters.
She sent the letter
I bet she didn't
to
even give it to her.
Bernard and Carol.
Oh, egg cooker. How about that? We'll have eggs. No, I'll bet
But you never gave them to them?
she never did. So I thought, well, we shouldn't do anything until we hear again from her. And I'll talk to Doreen, because Doreen will be up. That's
It's
pretty
an Osterite. Is that an Osterite? What they call an Osterite?
An
No,
Oster-
egg cooker.
Egg cooker. But you know, if you want to take that back and get something else,
Then we'll have eggs.
Yeah, maybe,
you'd
you know,
rather
it's very difficult to buy you a gift. So, you know, if there is something else that you could use,
Well,
I
that's
would-
Nice. Cook.
Let me get
Hey,
it.
you know what happened?
Huh.
Our microwave, the turnaround stopped. So
Oh,
tomorrow
yeah.
we're gonna have to, we're having a guy out to come fix it.
It's not good.
maybe you don't want to open it.
Yeah. Wouldn't that be nice? You're gonna have cooked eggs, soft, medium, or hard cooked eggs, perfectly cooked 4 eggs, thermostatically controlled heat. I think this would be great. Cooker signals when eggs are ready for serving. Eliminates guesswork. Both poacher and water vessel are coated with a non-stain surface for easy cleaning.
I don't think she's going to trade it in, Jerry.
Okay.
Am I right?
No, but
Yeah,
just
yeah,
try
because
that up.
I think this would be real nice. Thank you.
Okay.
See.
What do you do? Put a little water in there?
I I'm not sure how they work.
Eggs, see, you can put eggs in
You can
there.
boil them in the shell, or you can take them out.
Fill lid for medium cooked and poached eggs.
Thermostatically controlled heat. Cooker signals when eggs are ready for serving. Eliminates guesswork.
Fill to lid for soft cooked eggs. Fill to lid for medium. Fill to lid for hard cooked
Oh, it
eggs.
depends upon the amount of water you put in.
Yeah, so here you put it way up
Well, that's for
here.
boiled eggs.
Or poached.
Poached
Or
eggs.
poached.
Isn't that nice? I like that. Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah, I love it. Because I've been wanting a different one. In fact, only poached eggs anymore because they're
You know,
so bad.
Ah,
When I was in high school and I was working in a restaurant, one of the things
Julie.
we got was
Move back.
That's nice.
an egg. I think you put 3 to 4 of them in there.
Love it.
You put it on the cover and then you poured some water in there and that boiled the eggs. That was 50 years ago.
ah.
Wait a
Yeah,
minute.
that is
That was more than that.
That was 65 years ago.
there, see? And you put like this.
That's for poached, huh?
That's for poached.
Well, we'll say happy birthday.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Big number 7 too.
Yep. You know, I had another